Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. If you are interested to get more recommendations, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also, let us know your insight in comment. Today, we are going to discuss on a futuristic company. Yes, as you can see, Tata Power. The market is definitely in a downtrend, but we don't know when it will start reversing. The war between Russia and Ukraine has a great impact on the market, and in the short term span, the market will depend on the war on this war news and the global trend. But in a longer time frame, definitely this is a fundamentally strong company. We will discuss on that, and we will show you what their business is in more details. So this is Tata Power. As you can see here, I've just googled it. Tata Power is the largest power generation company in India, aimed at providing uninterrupted power supply from its various plants located across India. Now here you can see Tata Power Company Limited is an Indian electric utility company based in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and is part of the Tata Group. The core business of the company is to generate, transmit, and distribute electricity. So it's a very old company by Dorabji Tata, founder as the Dorabji Tata, um, and founded in 1911. Headquartered in Mumbai, subsidiaries are Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited and more. Parent organization is Tata Group. Now, this is their annual report. From here, I would like to show you what their business is about. So, this is just I've opened a page of their annual report, and it's showing the business is renewable energy generation, transmission and distribution, manufacturing, utility scales, solar EPC, conventional energy generation, then sorry, yes, okay. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Yes, new power trading service business, and it has a vision. Its vision is empower a billion lives through sustainable, affordable, and innovative energy solutions. That's why I was telling you this is a futuristic company, and if you invest in this kind of companies now, then definitely in 2 3 years you will get a good return. Then next, there is also our value generated outcomes of power supply, then EV charging. Now, the future of auto market is definitely electronic vehicles, EV cars. Mm, so for EV cars, this EV charging will be the key factor. Then rooftop, solar modules and cells, solar RO system, solar pump, microgrids, home automation solutions, utility scale solar EPC. These are the things of their business. Now it is, as you can see from the map over a high level, it is distributed throughout our country, India, less or more. And this is their the history of what they are doing. In 2019, they have won a 105 MWP bid for one of the world's largest floating solar plant to be installed in Kayamkulam, Kerala, if I pronounced it correctly. Pardon me if I am wrong. Kayamkulam, Kerala. Now next, come to here. The PE ratio is 62.35, PB ratio is 2.78, dividend yield is 0.70%, sector PE is 27.82. The PE ratio of this company is much higher than its sector PE. Sector PB is 3.08 and sector dividend yield is 1.41. and it has a total, it's a large cap company with a market cap of 70,000 crore, and stock is ranked 65. Stock is 2.95 times as volatile as Nifty. Now here you can see the trend. Yes, the revenue has improved, but the profit margin has decreased. But as I said, this is a futuristic company, so we can ignore this factor for now. Now let's come here. The total revenue has improved quite a lot, but definitely the earning per share has decreased in this company. Um, that's a negative point for this company, 8.90. But I am buying this stock for looking in the futuristic view. Then its peers. In peer, it's a Tata Power Company has Power Grid Corporation of India, Torrent Power, Power Grid Infrastructure Investment Trust. But this is the best company in this sector. Now, next come to this here. So, why I'm recommending this stock is okay. Let's go through this big shark investment also. The price volume in last 1 week, this stock has fallen 2.09%. As this is the impact of the war, and in 1 month it's showing negative. The whole Nifty is down, and the global market is in downtrend due to this war. And 3 months it's a negative minus 3.08%. Year till date is minus 0.25, but in 1 year it has shown a promising return of 131.58%, and in 3 years this stock has given a return of 236.67%. So that's the one thing. And if you come to this big shark portfolio, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, individual investors, there is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Premji and Associates, Radhakishan Damani, Mukul Agarwal, Ashish Kacholia, and etc. Institutional investors, the big investors are like SBI Group, ICICI Group, President of India, and everyone. FIIs is also quite promising, from Government of Singapore to government pension funds, Vanguard funds, and etc. It's a huge list. Okay, now the thing is, the next one I would like to show you is this news. Tata Power to set up 4 gigawatt manufacturing facility in next 18 months. So Dr. Praveer Sinha, MD and CEO of Tata Power, said that renewable energy is the company's core competence, and that he is only looking at investment for the renewable energy platform. So Tata Power is targeting to add 2 GW of utility scale renewable project every year, which requires nearly rupees 8,000 to 10,000 crore of investment, according to the CEO. The nature of the funding for renewable is still under finalization, but we expect it to close by the end of the current quarter or financial year. With the government's rupees 19,500 crore production linked incentive PLI scheme and state incentive, the project is attractive, and most of the investment will be used within the company's utility scale, including rooftop solar modules EPC, explained Shinha. So from this news we can understand this, that they are looking in a very futuristic view, and in a long term goal definitely will be a key player. And also government is backing this renewable energies and green gas and all, electric vehicles and EV charges, so that is the future. So that's why I picked this stock. So fundamentally it seems to be very strong company. Now, next, come to the chart. Why I'm recommending this stock? As we saw that in 3 months time, 3 years time span, it really shows a good return. So from 2020, if you see from rupees 25, 30, sorry, around 30, it went to a high of 250. So it's almost more than 8 to 9 times. So 8 times. So almost we can see that it went high to around 8 times from in 1.5 years time period to 2 years time period. So that's what it is showing promising. And the second thing is now next come to the daily chart. So in the daily chart, so as you can see here, the stock is took a support at this level at around 202, and it multiple times, every time it came to around 200 level, and then again it started rising. And the same has been repeated twice at this level, 29th October 2021, and then it again happened it 20th December 2021, and it again seems to be happening in 24th Feb 2022. From this level, 200 level, it again started rising. So for a short time span, if this war gets over, and the global markets also supports, the nifty also supports, then there is a chance of the stock going till 260 is my next target. From so 220 so today I have bought this stock at around 218 level. I have bought this stock at around 218 today, and my next target will be 260. Uh, and if the situation of war get deteriorates and the market falls sharply, then maybe there is a chance of getting my the next support will be around this level 180. And if you see the RSI is also it's a quite a buying level for me. Just it has touched the oversold zone, and it started rising. So this level is I have invested today. I am invested um, 15% of my planned investment in Tata Power. Earlier also I have bought this stock. First I bought this stock at around this level, I think 160, 170, between that range. Bought the stock last year. Then I again accumulated the stock at around 200 level. When it came down 220, I guess I bought this stock in this period of time, and then again I was holding this stock. I have not bought in between. I last bought this stock, yes, November, I think in November I bought this stock last year, and again I am buying this stock today. So previously already I already have 50% of my what would I say? Previously, in two installments, I have bought 50% of my planned investments, and again today I'm investing another 15%, 15% of my planned investment today at around 218 level to 220 level. And I am targeting it to go to 260 level. And if it once it touches 260, then I will think about selling or holding, depending on the market situation and how it is performing at that time. But even at that time also, I may not, even if I sell, then also it will not be a completely sold out of my portfolio. Maybe some profit booking I will be doing, and some part I will be holding for with a longer time frame view. Thank you.